Yn blar y mwy, I Gàidhlig, tír nyn beanns, nyn gleanns, nyn gaisgeach, the land of hills and glens and heroes. Tír nyn beanns, nyn gleanns, nyn gaisgeach, especially here in Loch Abar. Ach, chan nie tíadach frug is fé a ha yn sio, ha anas na ga, a novelty or two, anas na ga s na gleann sio cuideachd. Fiach tyfyn i'r na Gàidhlig, chai sgìre a cwarian gymylwch hwclichin fiach yn teil. Hwc sron yn tíhain, strontium, sron yn tíhain, fiach yn locha, enam gan a-mach strontium, a chai a lorach yn sin. Strontium is used for fireworks and emergency flares. Ach, ha gníomhachas haast san áite seo. Seo yn áite san ríoch gaisgeach far a bhfuil léadar aluminium, an aluminium smelter, léadar aluminium. Bí an lárach a cruachach feisceir 100,000 tunne gin bheitilt éimeall seo gach bliana. Mus chéad sin isteach a féimir savalteach, safety equipment, savalteach, broken taffy, stout shoes, broken taffy. Le se bhasc seo ha glan acin sin taring anal. Agus ha féimir clochad chruai, a hard hat, clochad chruai. Ha mé a cynnechuch rí dál caimbal, no doni mar a siar I gaineach ré. Rí töf tréine, lán bún stú, raw material, bún stú.
La ma, Donny, cymryd a hawn di.
A-mach, I believe. Fáilte go Lochaber chala.
MacIlleathain agus apparáte hana seo.
Oh, hi, gleann.
Tell me, what's in the train here?
Well, these are the trains that come in. This is actually refined alumina oxide, which is actually refined down from bauxite, which is mined all over the world.
So it's in a powder. How do you turn that into aluminium?
Once it comes in here in the fine powders, we then transfer it back into these buildings here, and using electrolysis, the magic happens and we make aluminium inside.
Can I see it happen?
Well, come and follow me and I'll show you.
Ha 300 meter gach yn fer an sy'n da hwclach sio. Yn brain ha Calum, cells, Calum, far a fel yn leug y tachyrst. Awn yn aluminium oxide ha da rwyd. Aluminium, aluminium, agus yn oxide. Sin oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Yn sio, ha an da element yn sgarif o chéile y clechgwch cwch jalan uske van sgìre yn cuideachd.
The cell room was huge. What was I looking at in there?
We have 2 cell rooms running here at Lochaber. In both cell rooms we have 40 cells, electrolysis cells.
And what a heat was coming off them, upper chase.
Ach, vashin chabor, 1000 degrees.
And what happens here then?
So this is one of our holding furnaces. We have 2 of them down here in our cash shops. Each one of these will hold 42 tons of liquid aluminium, which is actually transferred down from both cell rooms by tractor and trailer. It's weighed in and then it's poured in from the side here. From here, it's then casted out into ingot form. It's then taken out and it's put all across the world.
Ingots. You could say it's quite ingotach.
You could.
What does the aluminium get used for in the end?
So metal from here is taken all over the world. It's used for things like aeroplanes, car industry, and even tin cans.
Ah, tin cans. MacIlleathain, Donny.
Shed the vehe.
In ahuris I goes to balacum, a mouthful, balacum a canister smyrni. Co as a hanig in canna. Agus nes ingen tiche bullach. Goi in mechjot a chuirstachug uur is uur. Gunne mór an bue horst it cáileach in aluminium.
A chuirstach é ha?
An a minach. Fi mi críoch a chud ef ma huúin táiseach. Sin na siar.
Sgìre, was Jimmy Brook.